Welcome to another episode of Santa Killer Projects. Today we're looking at the Ford Bronco Sport. This one in particular is the Badlands Edition. This vehicle in particular is something that I'm specifically interested in because the 2017 KL Cherokee is running over 150,000 miles. Soon it'll hit 150,000. So this is what I was looking at replacing it with, because this is a fairly well all-around commuter car. The Bronco Sport for this year, the base model looks like it's going to be starting about $29,215, and the higher end Badlands will be starting around $44,600, it looks like. These come in a few different models: the base, the Big Bend, the Heritage, the Outer Banks, and the Badlands. This one is a Badlands. This Badlands has two screens, one integrated into the center of the dash. And one of the features that I absolutely hate about this car is the center screen sticks up 2 inches into your field of view while you're driving. The other feature that I absolutely hate about this vehicle is they put chocolate brown interior into the leather on the Badlands, and this is actually the one that I'd be looking at getting. So I would actually be trying to get a lower package interior, because I would not drive chocolate brown leather anything ever. So I will be, if I end up getting this vehicle, I will end up looking for something smaller or lower interior, which I'll show you on the other vehicle. The features that's weird about this particular car is if you want to open the back, there's one that opens the glass, and all it opens is the glass, in case you wanted to access through too small of a hole opening to get into anything. This would just be if you're going to quick grab something out of the car. I wouldn't even try to put groceries in like that. And then if you want to open the back, you have to close the top, because if you don't close the top, you'll actually crash the glass into anything that may be on top. So the rear does have a really nice configured setup. It doesn't really show up very well with this bicycle in the way, but it has a plastic coated rubberized mesh that goes over the back of all the seats in the interior to keep crap from getting into it. And then when the seats are all the way down, there's a massive amount of space and storage in the back of this thing. Also part of the reason why I'm interested in this vehicle. So for packages on the Bronco Sport, they come with a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder, averages a combined 26 miles per gallon. Or you can get it in a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost that'll average 23 miles per gallon combined. Versions that they have here, it looks like a Heritage. I don't see the markings or the badgings that say Heritage, but this is made to look like a 1960s version of a Bronco, even though the other Bronco is actually more styled to look like the old 1960s Broncos. That is why this one has the white metal wheels, the light blue with the white trim on this one. This one comes with a cloth interior in it. Show more from inside, but they've got this one locked. Apparently they don't want people to be climbing around inside this one. This one may be one of the Heritages, but as I said, they didn't badge it this way on this one. So it might be an early version of the Heritage, one where they've done the treatment to it, but haven't actually badged it out that way. This one will also have the massive amount of storage between the back seat and the rear. Same interior features all the way through. It's just how they do it, and it's a bit difficult to see, but there's a knob in the middle there that does your greatest of all terrain modes. What they have for the Bronco Sports here, a Badlands and one that appears to be a Heritage. Hopefully this helps you if you're looking at one of these. I know I am personally. I like the way these cars look. I also like cars that look like toasters. That's why I drive a old school XJ Cherokee. So that helps. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. We're going to be making more videos as we get to the vehicles you guys have asked us to make videos on.